Hello everyone. So now I'm going to give a presentation on the project microwave oven, which is an embedded system. So I am from Trinity Institute of Science and Technology. So these are the contents of our presentation. So let's start. What is a microwave oven? It is a device which it is like a box like oven that increases the temperature of the food, or it can also be said that reheat and cook the food. uh, it is a very versatile kitchen appliance that offers a very range of uses. And before entering into what is an embedded system, we need to know what is a microcontroller. So the controller is nothing but an integrated circuit which is being programmed to perform a specific task, and it has many advantages when we compared with microprocessor. So let's see what are the differences between microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor is nothing but which is an integrated circuit. It consists of only control unit, ALU, and registers. But whereas microcontroller is combination of the microprocessor and also other components like memory, input output devices, and other peripheral ports. So it when compared, a microcontroller is more flexible. And here we go with embedded systems. So what is an embedded system? Embedded system is a system which is a combination of both hardware and software, and it is designed in such a way that to perform only a specific or a particular task. So as we see here, it has more applications like mobile phones, digital cameras, games, aeroplanes, and it has like more advantages like reliability, low power consumption, cost effectiveness. And so in our project, we are going to use hardware, uh, like microcontroller, which is PIC16F877A, and software, we are using C programming language because it is very reliable than other languages and it is more understandable. And why embedded systems? Like, what is the main differences between embedded systems and general purpose computers? So the embedded system is nothing but it performs only a specific task, and whereas a general purpose computer, it it is not for a specific, or it performs many other tasks, more than one task. And it also has many differences. And so microwave oven and embedded system. So this is a project in which like we have four modes, as mentioned: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and start mode. And to implement our project, we we need some tools. So MPLAB XIDE, and this is where we write the program code, which is then dumped into this tool called PiximLab. uh, and to compile all this program, we need a compiler. So we are using MPLAB X8 compiler. And whenever the file is loaded into a PiximLab, so the first thing, the LED displays as powering on microwave oven as shown in the above figure. And with some delay, it displays the whatever the modes we use in our project, like micro, grill, convection, and start. By using the keypad, matrix keypad as displayed, as shown in the figure, we can we can use different modes, like one by pressing the keys 1, 2, 3, and 4. So whenever the micro mode is selected, it shows the power, that is 900 watts, and it also shows the set time. We have to enter the time by using the matrix keypad. And after that, when we enter using hash keypad button. Next thing, it displays like time. It ons the timer and also shows some like options. We can start or resume or pause or stop the action what is going on there. And the next thing, whenever the grill mode is selected, it displays the temperature, and we need to enter the temperature as per our requirement. And whenever this started, the fan rotates as it cools the microwave oven.
Can observe that powering on microwave oven, it consists of 16 rows and 4 columns. Before that, here we can observe the 4 modes which we have discussed in PPT: microwave, micro mode, grill mode, convection mode and start mode. In first we have observed micro mode. How the micro mode will work: these are the tactile switches used to operate the 4 modes. See, first we can, if we press the tactile key 1, it will on micro mode. In this micro mode, the maximum power is 900 watts used to cook the food. In micro mode, we can cook the traditional food, and that maximum time to cook the micro mode is 60 minutes. More than 60 minutes, it will not cook the food. So, for example, here we can take a time as 15 seconds. To enter the time, we need to press the tactile key hash. See, I am now pressing hash. It starts the time. After completion of time, the buzzer will give the sound that time is up. We will also listen the sound. Okay, next we will go for grill mode. Grill mode is used to cook the food which has more than 60 minutes, and the time is not limited here. If you press the tactile key 2, then it will on the grill mode. Here also we need to enter the time. Here there is no maximum time to enter, that is 60 minutes. Here we can enter more than 60 minutes also, but I am entering now only 20 seconds. Okay, to enter the time we need to press the tactile switch hash. After completion of time, the buzzer will give the sound that the time is up. You can off the microwave oven. Till now we have discussed the micro mode and grill mode. Now it is convection mode. It is somewhat different from both the modes. Here the time is fixed, that is 180 seconds. And before entering the time, we need to enter the temperature first in convection mode. See, to on the convection mode, we need to press the tactile key 3. See, now I am pressing the tactile key 3. Here it is asking temperature to enter. Now I am giving as 123 degrees. To enter, we need to press the hash key. See, by default it takes as 3 minutes to preheat the oven. Generally, convection mode is used to preheat the oven. To preheating, by default it takes as 3 minutes. As 3 minutes, that is 180 seconds. Before completion of 180 seconds, we will go through the board, the parts which are present in the Pixim board. See, these are the tactile switches which are arranged in rows and columns. These switches are used to operate the micro modes, not only micro modes, all the modes. It is the microcontroller which is one of the most important part in Pixim lab, and it is buzzer which will give the sound that the time is up and your food is ready. This is the relay. Relay is acts as a switch used to on and off purposes, and it is the reset switch. Reset switch, if you press the reset switch, it take to the starting of simulation, that is which we have observed, that powering on microwave oven. And these are the LEDs. This is cooler which is used to cool the microwave oven. and there are some resistors. See here, there is a RB3 tactile switch. RB3 tactile switch is used when we press the key. It says that whether our microwave open door is open or closed. If you press that key, it will give the information about that. And still we need to wait for 80 seconds to complete our time. Here we are using timer. There are two important timers here but for this we are using timer 2. It is efficient, and also there is two CLCDs. Before we had researched in PPT, it is 16 by 4 CLCD. We can observe 16 by 2 CLCD also. Wait, I will show that. 16 by 2 CLCD also. See here it is 16 by 2 CLCD, but in 16 by 2 CLCD we cannot observe the full information, so that for more efficiency we are using 16 by 4 CLCD. Okay, to preheat the oven, still we want to wait for 40 more seconds. After completion of after completion of this time, we can enter the required time which we require to heat the food. Now here we need to enter the time which is required to cook the food, but in convection mode the heating time is very less, that is not more than 10 minutes. Here we need to enter 20 seconds. Now I am entering time as 20 seconds. Wait. Okay, now I am entering the time as 20 seconds. Okay, to enter the time we need to press the hash key. See, here we can observe the start, pause and stop. If we need to increase the time by 30 seconds, we need to press the key 4. Now I am pressing the key 4. It will increase from 30 seconds. Before it is 9 seconds, now it is 39 seconds. Okay, to pass the time we need to press the key 5. If we press the key 5, the time will pass. See, now the time has been stopped. Again we need to start, means for the tactile key 4 acts as both start and resume. Before it acts as start button, now it is acts as resume button. See, if now I am pressing the key 4, it will resume the time. See here, after completion or before completion, if we need to stop the time, we need to press the key 6, but I am not pressing the key 6. See here, the cooler is on. Whenever we set the time, the cooler will on and it cool the microwave oven. See, if we press that, now I am pressing the key 6 to get back the modes. Okay, see, if you press the key 6, it will take to the modes position. See, till now I have discussed the 3 modes, and the last mode is start mode. Here if we need to get the start mode, we need to press the key 4. Now I am pressing the key 4. See, by default it takes as 30 seconds. If we need to increase, we can increase, but we didn't give the time in starting itself. So if we want to increase, we can increase, but I will increase now. See, the time has increased by 30 seconds, and here also the 4, 5, 6 tactile switches acts as the same start, pause and stop. In every mode it acts, it will be there, these switches will be there. See, here also the cooler is on. It is used to cool the microwave oven.